Hello everyone, I'm Zahra Fatima. Welcome back to my channel. Students, today in this video I'm going to share with you the Osmania University BCom first year semester 1 November December 2024 examination 100% important questions, subject bomb, business organization and management. Now on screen you can see business organization and management. First syllabus. Syllabus consists of 5 units. First is introduction and forms of business organization. Second, joint stock company. Third, introduction and functions of management. Fourth, planning and organizing. Fifth, coordination and control. So this is the syllabus, and syllabus consists of 5 units. And students, in this video I'm going to share with you the important questions for the subject business organization and management from unit 1 to unit 5. Short questions as well as long questions you will find in this video only. Now first, short questions. Short questions carries 4 marks. First is define business and explain its objectives, explain the functions of business, social responsibility of a business, differences between economic activity and non-economic activity. Next is commerce and its hindrances. Next is explain the classification of industry, partnership deed, types of partners, state the limitation of sole trading concern, give the classification of trade. So these are the short questions and these are the important questions from your upcoming semester examination November December 2024. And students, on my YouTube channel, important questions for the subject financial accounting 1 and environmental studies and FIT. For that I already uploaded 3 videos. See the videos, like the videos and share the videos with all your friends. Now unit 1, long questions. Long questions carries 12 marks. First is what is business, explain its objectives and functions. What is industry, explain types of industries. Define sole trading concern, explain its characteristics, advantages and limitations. Long questions from unit 1. Now next long question from unit 1 is define partnership, state its advantages and disadvantages. What is cooperative organization, explain its advantages and disadvantages. So short questions as well as long questions from unit 1 you already seen. And this defined partnership, state its advantages and disadvantages. It's very important for your upcoming examination. Now on screen you can see joint stock company unit 2. Short questions first. Short questions carries 4 marks. First is define joint stock company, statutory company, holding company, article of association and a memorandum of association. Short questions from unit 2. Unit 2 is joint stock company. From these questions, question number 2 is very important and question number 3 is also very important. And articles of association and memorandum of association, this question is also very important. And next short questions from unit 2 is what is prospectus, explain its contents. Promoters and its types, private company, public company, statement in lieu of prospectus. So these are the short questions from unit 2 and these are very important questions from your upcoming semester examination November December 2024. Now on screen you can see unit 2 joint stock company, long questions. Long questions carries 12 marks. Under that, first is what is joint stock company, explain its features, advantages and limitations. Second is distinguish between private company and public company. Define memorandum of association and clauses. So unit 2 important questions. The first one, what is joint stock company, is very important. Distinguish between private company and public company. This question is also very important. Now unit 2 long questions continuation. Fourth one, what is an article of association, explain its contents. Discuss the differences between memorandum of association and article of association. Define company promotion, describe various steps in the process of promotion. So what is article of association, explain its contents. It's very important. And most important question number 5, differences between memorandum of association and article of association, very important. Now on screen you can see unit 3. Unit 3 is introduction to functions of management. First short questions you can see clearly on your screen. Under short questions, first is scientific management, top level of management, management versus administration, unity of command, time study and motion study. So these are the 5 questions that is very important from unit 3. Unit 3 short questions you can see clearly on your screen. First is scientific management. It's very important. Top level management is also very important. Now unit 3 long questions. Long questions carries 12 marks. First is what is management, explain its features and functions. Second is explain Henry Fayol 14 principles of management. Next is what is scientific management, explain its objectives and criticism. Fourth is what do you understand by the term levels of management, describe its functions of different levels of management. So students, these are the important questions from unit 3 long questions. First question is very important, management, its features and functions. And second is also very important, explain Henry Fayol 14 principles of management. It's very important. And next most important, scientific management also. Now on screen you can see unit 4 planning and organizing. First short questions. Short questions carries 4 marks. First is define planning. Second is management by objectives, MBO. Formal organization. Fourth is informal organization. What is accountability? So these questions are very important, and in the examination maybe he can ask with you differences between formal and informal organization. Now long questions from unit 4. First is define planning, explain the various types of plan. Second, what is planning, explain its nature, steps, advantages and disadvantages. First question is very important, define planning, explain types of plans. Definitely it comes in your semester examination. Second, what is planning, explain its nature, steps, advantages and disadvantages. This is also very important, but first question is very important for your upcoming semester examination, November December 2024. Now third question, long question from unit 4, discuss the various forms of organization structure. Then fourth one, distinguish between line and staff organization. Question number 4 is very important, distinguish between line and staff organization. And students, this line and staff organization maybe he can ask in short questions also. And various forms of organizational structure is also very important for your upcoming semester examination. Now on screen you can see unit 5, authority, coordination and control. First short questions that carries 4 marks. First is define authority, second delegation of authority, third power, fourth is control, fifth is centralization, sixth is decentralization. So question number 1 is important. Question number 2, delegation of authority, is very important. Now on screen you can see unit 5, long questions. Long questions carries 12 marks. First is what is delegation of authority, explain the barriers to delegation of authority. What is centralization, explain its advantages and disadvantages. Define decentralization, differences between delegation and decentralization. Fourth is define control, explain the steps in control. Fifth, enumerate various techniques of effective coordination. So unit 5, long questions. Long questions carries 12 marks, and these are the very important questions. From these question number 1 is very important, define delegation of authority, explain the barriers to delegation of authority. What is centralization, explain its advantages and disadvantages, that is also important. And question number 4, define control, explain the steps in control, is very important. So question number 1, question number 2, question number 4 is very important. So students, like and share this video with all your friends. And students, if you are new to my channel, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that future notifications related to my future videos will come to you directly. And students, on my YouTube channel, important questions for the subject Financial Accounting 1, FIT, and environmental studies, that 3 videos I already uploaded on my YouTube channel. So please visit there, see the videos, like the videos, and share the videos with all your friends, and share the videos in your friends WhatsApp group, so that they also be get to know about the important questions. Thanks for watching the video.